Hey kittens, welcome back to my channel. So I have a question for you guys that I want you all to answer in the comments. Comment below what your definition of a 6-ring binder is. And to find out my definition of what a 6-ring binder is, be sure to keep watching. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you may have seen that I've created so many different videos using my 6-ring binders, but you may also be wondering yourself, what exactly is a 6-ring binder? So to me, a 6-ring binder is essentially a customizable binder that you can use for many different purposes.
Hold up, kittens. I was supposed to give y'all a formal definition. Even though Merriam-Webster dictionary doesn't have a 6-ring binder definition, they do have a definition for a ring binder, so I hope this is more clear, and let's continue.
And if you haven't noticed already by some of my videos, 6-ring binders come in many different forms. Some of the most common forms that I have come into contact with are these soft, bendable PVC cover binders, or sometimes they come in soft covers as well as hard covers. So aside from the cover, a lot of 6-ring binders either have a zip closures or they have a button clasp. So you want to be sure that whatever 6-ring binder you're looking at has the specific things that you would like. Also, 6-ring binders come in many different styles, colors, and different designs on them, which makes it so hard not to just get one 6-ring binder. If y'all don't know, I have 4 6-ring binders, okay? So I can't help it. They're all just so cute and they're all different and special, and all of their awesome and amazing ways. So yeah, also when it comes to 6-ring binders, you guys want to be mindful that each 6-ring binder has a different paper size. So from my experience, the 3 most common 6-ring binder sizes are a 5, which is on the larger side, a 6, which is in the middle, and then a 7, which is on the smaller side. They also have different ones called personal wide, archive, and I'm pretty sure many other sizes for the 6-ring binders. But again, just be mindful, depending on the size of the 6-ring binder that you want, the paper will be adjusted for that specific size, as the holes are in different placements for each binder. So now that we've covered what I believe a 6-ring binder is, I wanted to share with you guys some common ways a 6-ring binder can be used. So if you didn't know, a 6-ring binder can be used for so many different things, such as journaling, a cash envelope system, sticker storage, planning, and so much more. So if you guys are interested in learning more or seeing more about 6-ring binders, be sure to check out my 6-ring binder playlist and comment below what 6-ring binder size is your favorite. Also, if you guys have not subscribed yet, please be sure to do so. I love you all and thank you all so much for watching. Adios, kittens.